হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে স্বাগতম। আমি আজকেও ইংলিশ স্পিকিং প্র্যাকটিস করতে যাচ্ছি আমার এক প্রিয় ছাত্র ভৈরবের সঙ্গে। আশা করি ভিডিওটি আপনারা প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। হাউ আর ইউ ভৈরব?
I am fine. And you?
I am also very fine. When do you get up from bed?
I get up from bed at 6 a.m.
When do you go to latrine?
I go to latrine at 6:30 a.m.
When do you brush your teeth?
I brush your teeth. Now, I brush my teeth at 7 p.m. a.m.
Okay. When do you take breakfast?
I take breakfast at 9 a.m.
When do you take bath in the morning?
I take bath in the morning at 9:30 a.m.
When do you eat rice in the morning?
I eat rice in the morning at 9 a.m.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 10 a.m.
When does your first class start?
My first class starts at 10:30 a.m.
When do you take lunch?
I take lunch at 1 p.m.
When do you go to house from school?
I go to house from school at 4 p.m.
Okay. Do you play ball?
Yes, I play ball.
When do you play ball?
I play ball at 4:30 p.m.
Okay. When do you read book at night?
I read book at night at 7 p.m.
When do you take dinner?
I take dinner at 11 p.m.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 12 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
বন্ধ করো।